Hi everyone. So I had told myself I was not going to do any Black Friday shopping, that I needed to use what I have. And guess what? I caved in. I went to Michael's. Well, actually I did an order pickup because I didn't want to go in and get tempted by anything else. So I got a couple paper pads that I really wanted. I think all Christmas was 50% off, but it's so sad because back in the day, in the good old days, Michael's used to do sales and get an extra 25% off of sale items, and they don't do that anymore. So that's such a bummer that we can't get really good deals like we used to. I used to go crazy on Black Friday for Michael's and Joann's, and I would just stock up. But here's what I got. They have Christmas vellum, you guys. And look, $20 full price. So I had to get this one. Like, I just needed it. It was gorgeous. Like, there's snowflakes in here. This one has glitter. It says, "Let it snow." This one has glitter, like snowflakes. More snowflakes. Glitter snowflakes. It's just gorgeous. I totally needed that. So I got that one. I also got, oh, this one is flocked. I thought that was really interesting. So it has like a velvety texture to it. So I had to get that one. Oh, wait, did I just scratch that up? Okay, good. I can buff that out. I did scratch it, but I was able to buff that out. So, I just got my order today from Temu of where I got like this flocking liner, but it has adhesive to it. I don't think this one has adhesive, does it? Let me see. No, this is just paper. I don't think it comes apart. So, yeah, I got that one. And then I got foils, which is really pretty. So do a quick little flippity through. You see how shiny that is? Just gorge. So I had to get that one. Ooh, was that a candy cane? Ooh, I need like 20 sheets of just this candy cane right there. Ooh, that Christmas tree one is really cute too. Ooh, candy cane. Love that. So those are the only 12 by 12s that I got. And then I did get a couple of the 6 by 6. Let me see. I got, let me move my receipt. I got this like traditional red and green one, which is peppermint plaid. Look at these tiny little Santas. Those would be really fun to use. Love the bows. So happy that the bows are not in pink. And then I got this one because these papers right here, like, I just had to have. Now full price for these are $7, and anything like vintage I just like need in my life, so I had to get it. Like, even this has pink in it, but it's not like too much pink, so I can live with it. Then there's the back. See that vintage Santa, like his little face, I needed that. I don't really care for the background and the pink. And then there's some like little tiny presents here. Oh, that's cute. They're like Merry Christmas in the back. This little deer, like vintage deer. I love that one. I wish the bow was red. There's the back. Then look at these little tags. Those are super cute. And little trees. Oh, there's some like red bows with the pink in the back. So fun paper pad. Look at those little deers back there. A little too much pink for me, but the good thing is, like, see, this side is all pink. I could use the back, and there's very minimal pink on there. So that's why I was okay with getting that paper pad. Then I did get a sticker book. These went up in price. These are now full price $3. So half off of that. Oh, no, wait. I think this was only 40% off. Yeah, this one was only 40. Oh, look at that foil paper. So I got that sticker book, and then I got this one. There was a third one, but it looked like it had a ton of pink in it, so I didn't order that one. So I thought these were cute. Let's see. Oh, I got all, or maybe all, of the shaker frames, which I thought were really cool. So those are full price $7. So it comes with everything you need to build a shaker. So instead of having to sit there and die cut everything, I could just use this, which I thought was really nice and really fun. So you get 4. So I got the snow globes, I got the presents, I got the Christmas trees. Was that all? I think there was a snowman maybe, and I think that one might have been sold out at my store. So I didn't get that one because I didn't want to go pick up at another place. I just wanted like the closest one. Now this one I got specifically because it has snowflakes in here. So there are pink rhinestones in here, which I'm not really thrilled about. I would have been better with like some clear instead of the pink. Or there might be clear in here. So let me open it and see. But the thing that convinced me were, look at those snowflakes. Those are so cool. So there is clear and there are blue. Like, those are amazing, and I don't have anything like that in my stash, and these are large. Like, Hobby Lobby, I don't know if they did this year, but in past, they sold kind of like a pack like this that had the snowflakes in it, and they're smaller. So I love that these were like rhinestone, bigger snowflakes. If these go on a better sale, I'm definitely going to be picking up some more of these, because once I got in person, I was like obsessed. See, these like pink ones should have been blue, but I guess it goes with like the whole theme that you can like mix and match those. So I got that one. Oh, and then I got all of the beads. So these were full price $7, and then I think these were 50% off. So these were $4. So you get like an acrylic charm, and then you get all these beads right here, and then the really pretty snowflake case. And then you can even like dangle it because there is a little loopy up here, or you could put a chunky charm down here if you want to like wire wrap everything and send it out. I think would be really fun. So there was a snowflake, there was this little stocking here, and again this one has the acrylics back there. So there is a reindeer back there, and I don't remember what that one says. And then these have a lot of those clay beads in there. I love these stripy ones. So we got that one. We have an ornament. Oh, look, these have really pretty stars in there. Got some gold and some like iridescent ones over here. And I'm sure under this middle sticker, I'm sure that this has a charm. I think they all came with a charm. Oh, there's alphabet beads in the middle too. Does this say it comes with a charm? Round, alphabet, stars. Oh, it says 2 charms. So there must be 2 acrylics under that circle there. And then the other one I got was the Christmas tree. Oh, look at this one. Cute. Get a Santa and a tree. Oh, this one has pony beads. I don't like pony beads. I don't like that they put pony beads in here. I don't use them. I just have literally a bag where I just dump them all in when I get them in these kits because I don't like using them. And sadly, this one has 4. I did not notice that when I ordered it online. Oh, look, the alphabet here is red and red and green. And this one was gold? Yeah, I think this one was all gold. So that's cool that there's different ones. Oh, this one has silver where this one has gold in there. So that's interesting. Oh, look, I did get the snowman. So I think I did get them all. So this one says Let It Snow on the shaker snowman. And then I got these Merry Christmas stickers. I just thought they were really pretty. So they're a foil. There is red, green, gold, and silver. Oh, it says 40 stickers. So there's multiple sheets in there. And this one I thought was just gorge as well. Like, look at that. Oh, there is large snowflakes in there. I did not even notice that when I ordered it. So I knew that there was white and blue, and I just thought it was super pretty. I'm going to say these were like $2.50 a pack. They weren't bad at all. And then I got, oh yeah, see, $5 and then 50% off. So then I also got the little light bulbs, like the little tree lights. And that's everything that I got today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments, did you guys go out and do any Black Friday shopping? I know that Simple Stories had like a Christmas mystery box. I know that scrapbook.com had like a coupon. I think took it like 15% off maybe. And then they had a couple free gifts. Echo Park every year does like a sale. Who else did I see? I don't know. I was trying to avoid my emails for like the last week because I did not want to be tempted to buy anything. And the only thing I like for sure went on and got was every year I get Pandora. I love the Pandora bracelets and the Pandora charm. So it's jewelry. It's not crafting related. So that I did go look on, and I sent a little list of items that I wanted over to Sunny to get for me. So I'm gonna be getting something from there. But other than that, I try to avoid everything. Even me being my Disney fanatic self, I avoided looking at the Disney website because I did not want to be tempted to buy anything off of there. Like, the whole family, we've talked about it, that we have too much stuff. We need to just declutter the entire house and like get our lives kind of like in better order. And we want to do more traveling. So the less we spend on physical things, the more we can spend on making memories. So that's our plan for this next year. I am actually literally leaving for a cruise tomorrow. I got a casino offer that I just couldn't resist. So when you're watching this, will probably be December 1st, and we will be sailing away for a couple of nights. So when I get back, I hope to do a little life update for you guys, because we did go to Tennessee in October and fell in love. My mom actually said she would move there, which is very, very shocking because I've been trying to convince her to move and get out of California for the last couple of years because I just feel like it's way too expensive and people are just crazy and rude here. And over there, it was so peaceful. Everybody was nice and chatty, and we all just loved it. So we're dying to go back to Tennessee. And then in August, we did go on our Disney cruise to Alaska, which I'm obsessed with Alaska. This is our second time going, and I'm so ready to go for a third time. So we might do that again next year for my birthday in July. So we'll see. So I do have lots to talk about with you guys. I am still taking my dad to the doctors every single week to get a checkup, which is a lot. Because on top of that, he does dialysis 3 days a week. So it's just a lot of running him back and forth. He still is not cleared to walk. Unfortunately, he's still bedridden, and we are just praying for better days because we are going into our third year already with him on this roller coaster of a ride with his health. But yeah, I'll say that for another one. I just miss talking with you guys and having time to sit down. I really miss everybody. So I hope to, get back into the whole groove here and actually craft with you guys. I just have not been feeling creative, like crafty wise, but in my spare time, instead of making videos, I've been cooking more at home and doing like more detailed like recipes. And I've been really loving that. Like, I needed to just kind of like decompress from everything and didn't want to like stress on like focus on what to craft on and what can I make, and I just needed like a whole unwind break. And I feel like I'm finally ready to get back, because if I'm not like feeling creative, like nothing comes out of these hands. I have to feel creative to make something. So I hope that all makes sense. But anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.